Top 5 plants that you can propagate easily in water. With the update, I will show you the plants that you can propagate easily in water and you can multiply them, and after that you can transfer them to soil. Welcome back to Tamara's Garden. Today the topic is top 5 plants that you can easily propagate and grow in water. Cutting of pothos plant and you can develop roots in water. Now look at this pothos plant stem. It is a very huge long one and it's growing so healthily in water. So I have propagated in water. I kept it in fresh water in a glass bottle. So take a new stem with a nod and put it in water. You can grow it. This plant is spider plant. You can propagate spider plants easily with spider eggs. Put them in fresh water and keep it near a window so that it will root very soon and it will grow well. You can either transfer it to a pot or else you can keep it in water. Next plant you can propagate easily in water is lucky bamboo. So you can propagate them easily. Keep the stems in water. If you keep these glass jars near a window, they will root really very soon. Within every 3 days time, change the water and keep it fresh, and keep all these glass jars, bottles in water near a window so that they will root really very fast. Plant is Swiss cheese. Now Swiss cheese plant also another plant that you can easily propagate in water. Stem is about 2 weeks old and it's in water and rooting well. So likewise you can grow plants in water very easily. So grow plants in water and propagate them easily. This plant to grow in water is Dracaena. This is a Dracaena stem that I kept in water for a couple of days, about 10 days, and now it is rooting. So you saw the proof. So these are some of the plants that you can grow in water, propagate easily in water. The next plant is coleus. Coleus you can easily grow in water. Keep them in fresh water, change the water. Queen pothos, lucky bamboo, Dracaena, and spider plants, many varieties of pothos, all we grow in water. This is a Swiss cheese plant. It's really a very easy thing to do and also good growing.